you're going to have to get some help, right? Because if they just say point blank, you have to replace it all, that's not always true. So all that stuff I just said about making it challenging, repair should always still be in the mindset. There's still lots of opportunity to repair. You can still repair R-22 systems. You're still going to be able to repair R-410a systems and things like that. Almost never does it come to the fact where it's like you have to replace it every time something happens to it. And we know adjusters hear that all the time out there. So
Sure.
still think repair, still get that help if you need it. And then you have to get the pricing right on that repair as well. So
And so, just to really encapsulate that, or just reiterate, no new equipment for R410A will be manufactured in 2025. But that's not to say there isn't a stockpile of old equipment that can be used to do repairs. Am I getting that correct?
partially.
Okay.
So repairs are possible, and they're going to make parts for repairs, but the systems, they're going to have 1 year to sell through of anything like a whole system that's sitting on a shelf. They're going to have 1 year to sell through that. So after that, when I say repairs, you might be able to get a condenser. You might be able to get a coil. You might be able to get a fan. You're not going to be able to get a new system and call that a repair, right? So, and a lot of that's not even totally spelled out on how that's going to work. It's written down of what you can and can't do, but until they actually start doing it and things start getting becoming real in the claim world, we're going to have to see how all that plays out. But still think repair versus replace. Nobody's going to have to go out and replace a system because it has a refrigerant that's been banned or phased out, like R-22, R-410a. You can keep it for its life. And as the regulation reads right now, repairable indefinitely, right? So if it can be repaired, it should be repaired, at least under an insurance contract.